Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my Kabolite station. Today I want to show you a few modifications that I made on my Kabolite 963. And the first one I want to show you is the part here, which I found out is called a scraper, a rear scraper. Right here is the second one that I 3D printed. It was more tapered and a better look than the just flat square piece I had that functioned. And yesterday I printed out this one here in a yellow color, more able to match the color of the front end loader. And I also have Kabolite 963 raised up on the back of the 3D print. And today I will give it a try, but I expect it to work really well. Here on the front of the crawler, I created a shovel to go on the front, and it's more tapered and curved to match how a actual bulldozer is made. And that was an improvement over this just flat piece that I printed out when I first made it. And you can see on here, I also have raised lettering for the Kabolite 963 on the front also. And finally, I want to give a shout out to Tommy from rcearthmovers.com. And they are a website totally devoted to RC construction equipment. You can go on there and seek for help and see modifications and things that people do. But Tommy sent me these row of screwdrivers here and another row of screwdrivers here. And actually, those screwdrivers were made to go into this metal stand here. And the metal stand is just so strong, I decided I like using it as a prop to set all my equipment on when I work on it. So thanks to you, Tommy, at rcearthmovers.com. And I will have a video out shortly of this machine in action with its new modified 3D printed parts. If you like what you see, click like, and I will talk to you later. Bye.